What's up, YouTube land? GUILLOWS78 RC World here. How you guys doing today? This here will be video 2 of the weekend of RC that we had. Like I said, guys, I can't really admit it was a great weekend. We all had a blast. This here is the B main race at Eclipse Hobbies. A couple of my friends were in this race, so I figured I'd throw it up there. I noticed at the end it does not say in the video who won the race, so I will go ahead and say it now. It is my buddy Greg. He was driving the Torment truck, so watch for that truck. He actually runs a pretty smooth race. He used to race years ago. He actually just now got back into it. Because of me, I got him back in it again. So let's go ahead, get the video started. Like I always say, guys, well, starting to say, if you can, share the video on Facebook or with some of your friends. Give me some video watches. I'd appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button down below or somewhere around this box. There's a subscribe button. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. If you like the video, thumbs it up. If you don't like the video, thumbs it down. In that perspective, I don't care. But thanks again for watching, guys. We'll see y'all later. Peace.
Steve, and fifth is Danny. Alright.
Drivers, get ready for the next race. Gas scale short course rough and final, race number 4. Joe, Greg Pierce, Zach Crooked, Steve Long,
Marshall's ready. Drivers on the tone.
Drivers, watch your cars.
We got one away. Watch out over the road. You got Carl Marshall after the roller. Look at that one. Jared second. Third is Steve. Fourth, Greg.
Third position, first, Zach Crooked, 1 lap, 16.984 seconds. Second, Mike, 1 lap, 20.350 seconds. Third, Steve Long, 1 lap, 22.086 seconds. First to second, 6.665 seconds. Second to third, 1.775 seconds. Drivers, time remaining, 5 minutes.
Jared goes into the lead. And now we have Greg Pierce at place. That's not going in third. The race leader is the Raptor going on the double match. Mostly by Greg Pierce. He's the second place. So over there, so it's like Greg Pierce in position. Now the current leader is Greg Pierce.
4.579 seconds.
And that makes no difference. Greg Pierce followed by Greg second. Steve now in third.
Drivers, time remaining, 4 minutes.
Colonel here is Greg Pierce. That is the ECX track with the camera now.
Positions, first, Greg Pierce, last, 2 minutes, 24.968 seconds. Second, Joey, 7 laps, 2 minutes, 18.004 seconds. Third, Steve Long, 7 laps, 2 minutes, 19.490 seconds. And gaps, first to second, 5.101 seconds. Second to third, 9.174 seconds. Drivers, time remaining, 3 minutes.
just under 2 minutes left of this one, so Grant Pierce here, ECX truck going over here right now. He's your current leader. Looks in second place is Jarrett, and they are on the same lap, so a mistake by Jarrett, or a mistake by Jarrett, or some fast laps by Jarrett, you're changing for this one. And speed 1 is just a lap in third. And ECX truck.
First, Greg Pierce, 11 laps, 3 minutes, 14.54 seconds. 11 laps, 3 minutes, 24.561 seconds. C1, 10 laps, 3 minutes, 17.057 seconds. Drivers get ready for the next race. And scale short course truck group and final race number 5. Next race transponder to course.
Well, we got a minute and a half remaining. Still time to get it done. And actually, Greg's going to get Jarrett a lap down. And looks like he gets it done.
9.0 seconds. Joey, 14
Okay, let's
laps.
put a little bit of a stamp on his lead here.
691
Going right along. Second place is the red truck, but he leads 1 lap.
5 seconds.
And third place, 2 laps back, is C1.
0.560 seconds. Second to the third, 14.456 seconds. Drivers, time remaining 1 minute.
Okay, 45 seconds remaining. The short course truck, B main is next. Short course truck, B main is next. Just under 10 seconds left. Well, guys, once you're done, go ahead and pull off after the table. Raise up, go ahead and pull off. Zach's up, go ahead and pull off. And Jared's going on left on that left. Jared is done, swing off like Marshall right here.
5 minutes to the next race.
Make sure you subscribe for more RC action to come your way.